poppin' guys, it's Dynamite, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can extract an acapella from a regular song. Now the song I'll be using is Dead Presidents by me, Quattro Thompson Wolfman. I'll review it a little bit.
I'm free, watch me do my dance. Money always in the plans. I'm gonna have to take a chance. Left little mama in the past. She just want perfume and bag. She moving too fast. I don't give a damn. She want me to hold her hand. I'm gonna have to take her last. I'm a dog, she on the lead. Put Quattro downs on repeat. Do what it takes for the feet.
Now, the website I'll be using for this video is acapella extractor. Now I'm gonna drag the song onto the extractor. And we'll wait for it to load. Alright, so now it's finished. So we'll download it. We're gonna drag it onto FL. And we're gonna compare. So I'll play the preview one more time and then I'll compare with the acapella version.
I'm free, watch me do my dance. Money always in the plans. I'm gonna have to take a chance. Left little mama in the past. She just want perfume and bag. She moving too fast. I don't give a damn. She want me to hold her hand.
Now I'll play the acapella version.
I'm free, watch me do my dance. Money always in the plans. I'm gonna have to take a chance. Left little mama in the past. She just want perfume and bag. She moving too fast. I don't give a damn. She want me to hold her hand.
Now, in my opinion, it's like it didn't do that much of a good of a job, but it does get the job done. Another way of doing it is using virtual DJ. And I'll drag the song over. Now, as you can see, the stems has the vocal, instrumental, bass, hi-hat, and kick. Now I'll play it regularly.
I'm free, watch me do my dance. Money always in the plans.
Now I'll only keep the vocal on.
I'm gonna have to take a chance. Left little mama in the past. She just want perfume and bag. She moving too fast. I don't give a.
It does pretty much the same job, but the cool features about virtual DJ is you can add some parts of it back. So let's say you want the hi-hats and vocals, you can do that.
But damn, she want me to hold her hand. I'm gonna have to take her last. I'm a dog.
Or if you want to just the beat but no vocals, you could do that as well. It does sound weird, but it does get the job done. Old-fashioned way of getting the acapella or just extracting it enough to put in your remixes is just simply EQing. So I'll just put an EQ to this real quick and just cut off everything except like the high mids and the high ends.
I'm free, watch me do my dance. Money always in the plans. I'm gonna have to take a chance. Left little mama in the past. She just want perfume.
And sometimes you may have to do it twice.
I'm free, watch me do my dance. Money always in the plans. I'm gonna have to take a chance. Left little mama in the past. She just want perfume and bag. She moving too fast.
Now this way is my preferred way because I have a lot more control on what I want to do. But let me know in the comments below on what's your favorite way of getting acapellas. I'll see you in the next one.